Here's my cat playing with my dog. Chucky. Come here, Chucky. Come here, Chucky. I'm telling you, man, this cat literally acts like a little dog, bro. What up, Chucky? Hey, yo, fatty. So right now it's like 7 in the morning. Sun hasn't even came up yet. I come out and they all follow me. So let me show you who they are. Phoenix. Come here, buddy. So this is Phoenix right here. This is my boy Phoenix. Oh yeah, buddy. Aries. These two. He doesn't like them. Come here, Aries. What up, Aries? See that? Because he came over. They're always at each other's throat. They don't like each other. It's my boy Solovino. What up, buddy? Oh yeah, this is my little black boy right here. This is Spawn. He's the youngest out of all of them. He's so cute. There's Trinity. Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Where the hell did he go now? Sparkle. Alright, there's Pharaoh. Yo, Chucky, I'm telling you. What's up, baby? What up, baby? Why you, my little girl? Come here, Pharaoh. Hi, Gracie. And this is Gracie right here. What up, Gracie? What up, Gracie? What up, baby? What up, baby? What up, baby? What happened? You want to go in? Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Come on, get inside. Alright, we'll talk soon.